Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to use Nova Click on Axiom, a powerful combo for lightning fast Solana trading. Firstly guys, grab the Nova Click extension. Let us go into the Chrome store. You can just go to extensions, manage extensions, Chrome Web Store, and let us type in Nova, sorry, wrong language, Nova Click, okay? So basically, which one is it going to be? I suppose this one, Nova extension. All right. And now you just need to add it to your Chrome. Right, after that, install it and pin it to your toolbar by clicking the puzzle piece icon and hitting the pin to next to Nova. Right, also guys, we will need a Telegram Nova bot as well. So guys, open the Nova Click extension if you want to do it that way. It'll ask you to join Telegram. I already have my Telegram open. So guys, basically you just search Nova on Google and it will give you a link to join this Telegram bot. As you can see, Trade Nova. This is the official bot. In Telegram, in the bot, you need to type start. As you can see, I've already done that. On the button, follow the prompt to connect. You'll get a confirmation in Telegram what's synced. This ties your trading presets to the extension. Now, go to Axiom Trade and sign in with your wallet. Phantom's the easiest. Use a referral link from their X page if you're new. Once connected, you'll see your Axiom wallet address starting with AX. Fund it with Solana if it's empty. We covered depositing in another video. Here's the fun part. On the Axiom's trading page, find a token, say a hot meme coin. Open NovaClick from your toolbar and set your buy presets, like for example 0.5 Solana or 1 Solana, in the extension. Hit save. Back on Axiom, when you're ready to buy, click Nova's Quick Buy button instead of Axiom's native one. It processes through Nova's service for faster fills. Check your Axiom wallet, the token should land in seconds. If it fails, ensure your Solana balance is good and your extension's toggled on. There's an on and off switch in NovaClick. Slow trades, restart the extension or check Nova's Telegram support for updates. And that's it, NovaClick supercharges your Axiom trades with insane speed. Perfect for sniping launches. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments. Like and subscribe for more trading tricks. See you next time.